It's our last day in Guangzhou, and this morning we went to KFC because I want to eat Poltat one more time. And they have breakfast stuff here, so they actually sell porridge. I like breakfast sandwiches. So we got 2 porridges and a Poltat. It was crazy because they open at 6 a.m. and this is probably why, because they have porridge. It was like super busy too. Poltat. It's pretty good. Like,
I mean, if Chinese people are gonna make joke, of course they can make it kind of good. Joke back.
Ladies in their Chinese seafood.
that's so good. This is the train station. So we entered over there. You have to go through. You have to check your ID, and then you have to go through like security to check your luggage. And yeah, I don't know exactly what we're doing. Like I think our gate's not posted yet. Like our train's not posted yet. So we'll check back in an hour to see which gate we are in. But right now we're just having lunch here. Getting some noodles. Alright, we accidentally ordered 3 servings instead of 2. So clearly we're not going to finish all of this. But it looks pretty good. He got a spicy pork rice, I think, and I got, it's like a pickle thing. It's a pickled chicken maybe? I don't know. Pickled pork, but in noodles. We made it safely on our train. And there's a toilet for Bryant. He was unable to eat basically in public. There's only the multi, which is the so there's only like a hole in the floor.
There's 2 options actually. If you're not comfortable with this one, the back there's one on the ground.
Oh, there's one on the ground. So
there's the pit.
Yeah, so he didn't want to go using the pit. So now that he found a toilet that he can sit on. Alright, our train has taken off and we're heading over to Hong Kong now. So we are no longer going to be in China anymore. We just checked into our hotel in Hong Kong. It is the Grand Harbor Kowloon. And here is a quick little tour. It is known for Hong Kong hotels being pretty small, so it's a cute little size. Good enough for the 2 of us though. This is called the suite. We had to get an elevator up to the 20th floor and then hop across and to this floor. And you got the bathroom, which is see-through bathroom. Where's the light? I don't know how to turn anything on. Okay, I don't know. How did you turn it on earlier? How did you turn it on?
I just used the last one.
Okay, we checked in our hotel. We're going over to do our laundry. I think we have enough clothes for a couple more days, but I think it's just safer just to do our laundry first. So we're heading over right now to a 24-hour laundry mat. Oh, swim sock's still in here.
Move it. One night, anything?
請拍八達通卡 Please take Autobus card 付款成功 Payment success
Good job. Bryant's so happy here.
Wait, this is my
You're all like,
my area.
You're like, oh, this is so much better.
Is it not?
People drive and
Is it not better?
I mean, I like Hong Kong better too. But it's so expensive here. It's so much cheaper. Things are so much cheaper in Guangzhou and
We can't communicate with half the population.
I can do it. I was getting buff just fine.
没关系, 没关系.
My Mandarin is not bad. Actually, no, but my Mandarin is bad. But I wouldn't die. Hong Kong is much nicer, but it's a lot more expensive. That's for sure. Anyways, we have about 20 minutes left until our laundry is done. So I want to go to Sasa, which is a makeup store.
Have you been there before?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Good morning. It is Dosan. It is Thursday. We're in Hong Kong. There's a lot of foreigners here actually in our hotel. There's a lot of foreigners that I was like checking out, and there's like a wedding happening too. But right now it is close to almost 11, and we're gonna take the MTR and head over to I don't know where. To meet up with
We have a
Brian.
day planned by my parents.
We're just gonna follow whatever Brian's parents does. So, here we go. Brian just told me yesterday that the little fork sign means MTR. I did not know that. Here we go. We're at Miu Gai. It's like a street that sells a lot of things, and it's supposed to be really popular at nighttime. We're just exploring, checking out some stuff. Pawn shop. He was very excited about seeing this pawn shop because Brian's dad was sold to a pawn shop when he was a baby because they think that their family was unlucky with like having boys, so in order to like sell away their son so that way their son can like live longer. But they don't really like sell him away. You just give money to a pawn shop, but then you go around the back and you like take the baby back home. And that's like the story of like Brian's dad being sold to a pawn shop. And it worked because his dad is
Alive.
We're here too early, so none of the stores are open yet.
Ladies of the day.
And we saw a lot of ladies standing on the street, and I guess like it's because since the stores aren't open yet, we kind of notices them. But yeah, there's a lot of girls. They like stand on the street. Obviously, they're like dressed very low cut shirts, you know. So that was interesting. I didn't know there's, you know, that's what I guess that's what the street is known for as well. Like not only you can come here and like buy stuff, but you can come here to pick up
Porno stores.
Pick up some girls. Yeah, there's a lot of corn. There's a few corn stores that we saw. Corn stores. That's interesting. Anyways, I see boba. I want boba. I had the milk tea in Guangzhou. Was so good. I'm so sad I couldn't get another one before we left. Let's see if the tea is any good in Hong Kong. It's okay. Too sweet.
Too sweet.
This is tea flavored gelato. I'm so excited. So good.
Yeah? What's the flavor like?
Like tea.
Yeah?
It's not sweet.
Just pure tea in gelato form?
I mean, it's like sweet, but like not to the point where you're like, oh my god, it's so sweet. We're at another restaurant with his dad's family. We met all of his aunts. Right, your aunts?
Yes.
I'm so hungry on food, please.
I'm still good.
So hungry. Guys, no pasta, man. At the K11 Mall today, we picked up some mystery boxes. I got a Disney Princess one, and I'm hoping for Mulan. It's a duck, and they have different versions. This one's the hotel one. What was the other one?
Farmer.
As the farmer.
I like this one because it reminds me of the Grand Budapest Hotel. You're like,
I don't know, you can't really feel it.
you're the Asian.
No.
Mulan. Oh, no way.
Oh yeah!
Oh,
So cute! And she comes with her little
yeah,
sword.
he's super lucky.
Oh, look. I like him. He's cute.
Ooh.
He's so dapper. He's so cute. He's really cute. Little cute chair. Alright, that's it for tonight. Good night, y'all.